We're opening a 2020 National Treasures football live at the Flipping Card Show. Let's see what we can get out of here.
Good luck, good luck.
Pretty box. Crack. Sounds good. The crack of the box. Good sound.
Seem thick or thin?
Pretty thick. It's over the seal.
Pretty thick, boy.
It's a pretty thick boy.
Big juju. We got big juju.
Try to flip it over like that.
Good luck.
All right.
Here we go.
Here we go.
So we go from this. We're going to start off with a Josh Jacobs out of 28. Our next card is going to be a Phillip Rivers out of 99. We got a patch to 99, Tiki Barber. Torrey Holt, Century Materials to 99.
Some good stuff going. Let's go.
We got a Colossal Marquise Brown, 25 out of 25. Next up, another patch. It's going to be an Amari Cooper out of 25.
Oh, wow.
Next up, we got a Steve McMichael auto out of 25. Next, we got Eagles rookie. We got Eagles rookie.
Let's go.
Is it horizontal? Ooh.
Wow.
Oh.
You want to turn it the other way.
We got a laundry tag, Jalen Rieger 101 laundry tag.
That's nasty.
101. It's a 101. Yeah, it's a 101. If it was hers, I would.
We got a DJ Dallas to 99 Seahawks rookie.
It's my last card.
And the last card is going to be a rookie for the Redskins, Chase Young. Rookie card out of 10.
How did you
A nasty patch.
How much colors is it?